Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Crime Time Cam. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What begins as a reported assault at a local taco shop quickly turns into a police investigation as officers respond to the scene and work to determine exactly what happened. With tensions already running high, the encounter that follows shows how quickly a routine call can develop into something much more serious. The breakdown starts now.
Don't kick him! Don't kick him!
I want assault.
Me.
After you punch me, dumbass.
I didn't fucking punch you, bitch.
What's wrong with you? Hit me first.
You don't see the picture on my neck here. Punch me.
The officers are still trying to gather information about what happened inside the store, but the situation becomes more difficult when emotions start taking over. When someone is highly agitated during an investigation, officers often focus on gaining control of the scene first so they can safely sort out the facts afterward.
Why are you getting him?
Stop.
Why aren't you getting him? He fucking punched me. I was I'm not. Please don't arrest me.
This is where a simple detention can become much more complicated. The longer officers struggle to gain compliance, the harder it becomes to safely bring the situation under control and move the investigation forward.
I didn't punch him, officer.
All right, you're about to get put on the ground. You're about to get put on the ground.
Can I not
You're
get
hurting
put on?
yourself.
Can I not get put on the ground? Please don't handcuffs on me. Please don't handcuffs on me. Please don't handcuffs on me.
Stop.
Denny, grab my purse.
Notice how the focus is no longer on the original call itself. Once cooperation breaks down, officers have to shift their attention towards safely managing the interaction before they can address anything else.
We're gonna
Stop.
back up 25 feet.
Search your RJC on Instagram. I didn't do shit to him. You not see him? I was going to the bathroom and you opened the door. My pants were down.
It's interesting how the conversation is changing here. Earlier, officers were focused on getting cooperation, but now their priority is completing the detention safely, which can make it much harder for either side to communicate effectively in the moment.
Your pants is not down, so stop lying.
We have
cameras. We have cameras.
Okay.
Like, what do you understand?
My pants were down.
Walk outside.
My pants were down. Why are you taking me in handcuffs? Why are you taking me in handcuffs? I haven't done anything.
Even after the detention is complete, officers are still looking for the situation to settle down. When emotions remain elevated during this stage, it can continue to create challenges as they work to move the encounter forward safely and efficiently.
Please don't take me. Stop. Stop, officer, please.
Don't grab on me.
Why are you taking me in handcuffs? I haven't done anything. My pants were down in the bathroom. My pants were fucking down in the bathroom and he opened the door.
She's focused on explaining what happened before everything escalated, but the officers briefly point out that she had been told to leave. It's a reminder that people involved in the same incident can view the key moment very differently, which is often why encounters like this become so difficult to resolve in the moment.
He told you to leave.
And my pants were down in the bathroom, though! Why are you taking me?
No, I don't see anything, but...
Why are you
Have a seat in the car.
taking me? Please
Yeah, you
don't
don't mind.
take me! Don't take me! My pants were down in the bathroom and he was grabbing me! Why is this happening?
At this point, officers are shifting their attention to the reporting party. Since he was the one who requested police response, they're looking to gather additional context and understand what led to the call in the first place before moving any further with the investigation.
What happened?
For one, it's for paying customers.
Yeah,
I tell them before they even come all the way through the door.
Okay.
Then both of them
Go
guard the
ahead.
door.
I got you.
Then she hit me. After she hit me, I hit her back.
She hit you how?
She hit me right in my face.
Punch you?
Yes.
Close fist?
Close fist. She hit me right in my face and I punched her back as a reflex with self-defense.
The encounter ultimately ended with the woman being taken into custody after officers responded to the reported disturbance and completed their investigation at the scene. According to the case outcome, she was charged with battery and resisting arrest. This encounter is a reminder that when emotions continue to escalate, it can make an already tense situation much more difficult to manage. What are your thoughts on how this encounter unfolded? Let me know in the comments below. And that's where we'll leave this one. If you enjoyed the breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps support the channel and allows us to keep bringing you more content like this. I'd also love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and join the discussion. Thanks for watching Bodycam Breakdown TV. I appreciate every one of you, and I'll see you in the next one.